name's Nick Masher. I'm the owner of Honest Air Conditioning in Venice. So we knew we needed to make some changes to let that happen. We also had no real clear vision on what we wanted the company to go to in the future, where we're going to grow to. Since working with Dulcie, we've seen many benefits from having a clear vision on where we want the business to go to. We also have a mission statement that we've developed, and it's not only hanging here in the office for the office personnel, but we have it in every service vehicle, and maintenance vehicle, and install vehicle that the technicians are required to read on a daily basis of why we're here, why we exist. So before that, we had none of that in place. We've also, with our department heads now having written processes and procedures, it's easier for them to cover for each other because they have their job responsibilities in writing, so that they can cover for each other, or we can quickly cross-train or bring new people on board. Also, learning how to collect not just data, but meaningful data, so we can really understand the benefits of the advertising dollars that we're spending, what makes sense for us, what pays off and what does not, so we don't kind of repeat the same errors. And just kind of having this all come together, and those key people doing their jobs, following those procedures that we set in place, we're having a lot more fun running the business. And it's just so enjoyable to see how everything comes together. And it's a lot more fun now than it was 2 years ago. Yes, I definitely would. You know, for us, when you're stuck at a certain level in business and you want to progress to the next level, it's not a question of if we can afford to hire a business coach such as Dulcie, but we really realized we couldn't afford not to.